Vicious.
I go
Show
now.
off, brother. Stuck in, man.
Sure.
I did it, butcher. I want to tell you, say, I make a circle come see what I go on, you know.
Right, they say them man. No one tell us a stone tell me to circle. And then come see me work, man. So, I have to make it know what I'm going.
Wake up, man, wake up. Yo, I no blackout time yet, you know. The fun just start. Oh.
Andrew, I'm wife there.
You are worried about the wrong thing, brother. You see, if it's me like you, me that worry about you. Yo! You know how long me want to fix your youth? A long time me want dirt, you know? After how much news you care about me about Tommaso, eh?
Andrew, please. Man, the business where you want it to me. Just do. I beg you. Don't hurt Jay. That's all me ask for.
You ever hear the saying, too little, too late? Alright, that's how you reach, you know. Because you soon join her. You see, like how you married. Until death, you not go part.
So all of them want to tell you to buck it up and chew off for your house up on them thing there, bro.
How are you on eso?
Joking thing.
How are you on eso?
Yo, how would that? Hi, man. Brother, yo. You one of the workman them?
I see your work and I look so clean.
You know what's all about going? You're like a bad mind youth. No matter what you do to me, not change nothing, Andrew. Still bad mind.
You are talking about bad mind, eh? Yo, look into this. Are you get all of the preference, you know? You are drive luxury car, while me still on the old one. You get all church preach, you know, right? Me not even a member, you know that. So you tell me, say, your job one for you pay with them, yeah.
Yo, idiot. I'm telling you this. I'll love my friend for you here. They'll take debt. Learn that. Catch my half cat. Must work out. If I have a hell, eat it.
Well, I think you make the right choice. You can go and wait for me down there. Cause are you before me.
And how we must up, so. A party now, keep us.
What go on, man?
Savage.
Hit me, Eka. Where am I doing for you? Me, you, a stone. It's either you're gonna use it or you're gonna lose it.
Yo, Vicious. Ducky. I could reason then now.
that then, brother.
Do you have enough fussy? Stop chatting.
Alright, this going to be my pleasure.
Yeah, sure, man. That.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, brother. Jesus.
Bossy, target acquired.
Hello, Glastonbury. Or should I say Anthony McCoy? We need to talk.